Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Reliable, which of the following can be reliably used for hand washing? For hand washing, we can use chlorhexidine, which is chlorhexidine can be used for hand washing, and isopropyl alcohol can be used for hand washing. For hand washing, we mainly use antiseptics. So antiseptics are chemical disinfectants which are safely applied to the skin and mucous membrane. These will inhibit the growth of bacteria and they can be used for hand washing. So what are the common antiseptics? Like we can use ethyl alcohol, then we can use propyl alcohol, we can use halogens like iodophores can be used, and even chlorhexidine can also be used for as antiseptics. Lysol or Clisol are disinfectants which are used for hand mopping the floor. They are used for mopping the floor, whereas glutaraldehyde is used for sterilization of endoscopes. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.